Hey Modern Fragrance community, lately I've seen a few articles and videos about Vaseline or petroleum jelly making your perfumes or colognes last longer. The idea is that you apply the Vaseline to your skin where you're going to apply your fragrance. Then you apply your perfume or cologne on that area and your fragrance will last longer throughout the day. People seem unsure about whether this is fact or fiction. I'm here to provide an explanation as to why I think this might actually work. Now, as we all know, we apply perfume or cologne on the areas of our bodies that radiate heat. This radiating heat increases the evaporation rate of the moisture on our skin, projecting the scent from our bodies. Petroleum jelly is made up of hydrocarbons, which are non-polar. Hydrocarbons are a simple organic compound that are made up of purely hydrogen and carbon, each with a varied number of valence electrons. I won't go into much more depth about hydrocarbons at this time. It's hydrophobic, non-polar, which means it will repel water. Water, H2O, is polar, which is why it's repelled. This, in turn, will minimize a loss of moisture. Now, I believe that Vaseline would essentially work as a shield or coating against increased evaporation rates caused by our body heat. Now, since petroleum jelly won't oxidize or dry out, it allows your favorite scents time to hang out, for lack of better words, on your skin before completely evaporating due to the natural longevity of your fragrance. But keep in mind that you should suffer a loss in projection, unlike some videos might suggest. In conclusion, petroleum jelly has many different uses, but I thought I'd cover this question and its use in everyday fragrance applications. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of how and why petroleum jelly might increase fragrance longevity. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.